work from home video. And in this video, I want to cover some jobs that you can get paid up to around $18 per hour. These are remote work from home jobs. There is no experience required, and these jobs actually provide you with free training. So even if you've never had a work from home remote job before, or even if you've never had a job before, these are going to be really good positions to start in, because again, you can make around $18 per hour plus bonuses, plus all the incentives that they give, plus time off, all that good stuff. And there's no experience required. You only need a high school diploma, and they're also giving you training. So that's really good. So with that said, let's take a look at this company. So what I want to talk about today is this company, Foundever. And this company is based out of Miami, Florida. They have a 3.6 out of 5-star rating here on Glassdoor, which is fairly good. And if you look at the salaries, this company actually has most jobs in customer service, but they do have other positions available as well. But for the most part, the jobs that you're gonna find that require no experience and give you free training, these are gonna mostly be the customer service positions. And this doesn't mean that you have to be on the phones. Some of these positions will require you to use chat instead. So that's an option if you don't really wanna be on the phones. But as you can see here, a CSR here makes anywhere from $31,000 or $32,000 to $45,000 or $47,000 per year. An insurance agent makes around $53,000 to $93,000, and operations manager makes around $63,000 to $99,000. Also, a work-at-home telephone customer service representative makes anywhere from $31,000 to $45,000. So that's going to be right around that $18 per hour salary range, and probably slightly more going towards $20 or right about there. So let's actually get on the website now and look at some of the jobs. So Foundever here, you can get jobs. As I said before, most of these jobs are going to be customer service related, but they have jobs in customer service, corporate positions as well. So even if you're not looking for a customer service job, you can find some other positions here, but those will require some experience and also maybe a college degree. Now, this company hires in a bunch of different countries, so you could go to find a job in your country, and for this video, we'll just go with the United States. But of course, you could choose whatever country you're in if you are not in the United States. So we'll go US here. And then, they have jobs you could browse by location. So I guess this is where they have offices, but then you can just go to remote work at home jobs. So even if you choose a different country, you want to hit on the link that says remote work at home jobs, because you definitely don't want to be traveling. The reason you're watching this video is because you're looking for a remote work from home job. So at the time of making this video, they have a few positions open right now, and I'm gonna quickly go through some of these positions. Now guys, by the way, if this is the first time you're coming across the channel, my name is Ian. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, jobs, everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That is 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post similar new videos. If you ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below. Well, let's get right back to this video. So we have the chat and phone customer support, and this is a seasonal position right here. So for this one, it doesn't pay that much. I will say it's only $14 an hour, and they say incentive opportunities. You get 100% hands-on paid training, so that's good. You get internal mobility, 84% of the managers here are promoted from within. You get employee discounts, referral bonuses, a wellness program. Of course, you get to work from home. They will provide you with the computer equipment. All you need to do is to have your own monitor. So that's also great that they're providing you with the equipment. So if you've never ever worked from home before, or if you've never had a job before, this is great because they're giving you paid training. They're shipping the equipment that you need to use to you. All you basically need is a quiet workspace at home and your own monitor. So this is really good. Now for this position, must live within the United States. That's because I chose United States as a location. So these jobs are all going to be in the US. And the responsibilities for this job, you're gonna provide basic technical support via phone or chat, so you probably won't be on the phone all the times. Deliver an exceptional support experience, interact and communicate effectively with a variety of customers, provide a memorable and delightful experience. Now, as for qualifications, it's going to be flexible. As they say here, the qualifications are flexible to the needs of the business, but you must have at least a high school diploma or the equivalent, and you need to be at least 18 years or older. So what you need to have is you need to have a monitor at least 19 inches. You need to have a high-speed internet connection where you can hardwire in. They need you to have at least 5 megabits up. Working phone line, which could be home phone or mobile. You probably already have that. And of course, a noise and distraction-free environment to work from at home. So this is probably like a perfect beginner job for someone who's never worked from home before and also probably just never had a job before, right? So let's look at some more of these jobs. So for example, college of insurance. For this one pays slightly more. So this is a range of anywhere from $15 to $18 per hour. Again, you get 100% paid training. And most, if not all of these jobs on this list, they're going to provide you with 100% paid training. So if you get the job while you're getting trained to do the job, you're also getting paid, which is good. You get medical, dental, vision, and wellness benefits. You get a 401k plan. So the other job was a temporary position, kind of like temporary seasonal. So they didn't provide you with all the benefits, but this is a permanent position. So this one is going to give you a 401k, PTO, employee discounts, holiday pay, and all the other bonuses and perks that you would get from the other job. Now for this one, college of insurance, it is a customer service related position. Responsibilities are to interact with customers, clients, insurance carriers, and internal sources to provide coverage information and provide policy recommendations. Complete a variety of day-to-day client service transactions, including policy endorsements, certificates, binders, cancellations, and other tasks. Weekly review of quality standards, metrics, and performance. And as for qualifications here, you need to complete pre-licensing courses and pass whatever applicable state exams and background screenings that they have. You need to be organized, a self-starter dedicated to studying on your own time, and comfortable being in a continuous learning environment. Must be at least 18 years of age, preferably 18 or older. Need to have at least a high school diploma or the equivalent. You'll need to be able to pass a background check and also drug screening, it says, if applicable. And at this time, these are the only states that they're hiring for this particular position. Now, as for the requirements here, it's kind of similar to the previous one. I mean, you need a high-speed internet connection and you need a computer or laptop. You can even use tablets here. You just can't use cell phones. So if you have a computer or laptop or a tablet, you can use it for this job, which is cool. So again, another one that pays around $18 per hour, and they're gonna train you to do the job, and they're also paying you while you're in training. So really great. Insurance work at home roles, let's take a look at this one. So they're all underneath the customer service department, but they're different positions here. So you'll probably find something that you are interested in doing that doesn't necessarily require you to, be taking a bunch of calls all day for your entire workday. So for this one, it does say handle inbound service calls, drive customer satisfaction through voice, chat, and or email communications, navigate through multiple systems and tools, ongoing training and skill development. As for qualifications, problem solver with a can-do attitude, must be at least 18 years of age or older. You need a high school diploma or the equivalent. You need to be able to pass a background check and a drug screening. Eager to advance your career with a reliable company, and if you enjoy working independently and with a team, this is a good position for you. Again, you need a high-speed internet connection, they will be providing you with the equipment for this particular job right here. And all you need is to have your own monitor or to have a second monitor. Now for this one, they have it available in many more states than the previous job. So again, you'll probably have to go through all these jobs to see which ones are best suited for you and which ones you'd like to apply for. And of course, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can easily go and apply for these jobs. For this one, the range is anywhere from $13 to $17 per hour. Again, you get 100% paid professional training. You get medical, dental, vision, and wellness benefits. You get a 401k retirement plan with a company match. That's free money right there. You get employee discounts, referral bonuses, and again, 84% of their managers are promoted from within. So there is room for going up the corporate ladder here. So really great opportunity if you ask me. So a bunch of really, I'd say, entry-level customer service jobs where you can kind of get your foot in the door if you've never worked from home before, because here they're providing you with the equipment, they're paying you and training you. So you get everything. All you need to do is to basically just apply, put your best foot forward, get one of these jobs, and you can have your first remote work from home job. Or even if you have another remote work from home job that doesn't pay as much, or you'd like to switch to something different, this is something to consider. For this position right here, this is a PC or personal lines licensed agent. This one is a bit different. It says here, no cold calling, all inbound, pay for performance, no commission sales. The pay is $16 to $18 per hour. You get paid training. You get all the benefits that you'd get with the other jobs. It is customer service related, but the skills, knowledge, and abilities you need here, just basic conflict resolution skills, active listening skills, ability to multitask, questioning and deductive reasoning skills, comfortable with independent studies, ability to navigate system tools to search for answers and information. And the requirements are kind of like the same as all the other jobs. Again, need to be 18 years of age, need to have a high school diploma or the equivalent. And for this one, they would prefer if you have 6 months to a year's worth of experience, but if you don't have it, then that's fine. Also must have open availability during the hours of operation. So again, really great entry-level work from home jobs here at Foundever. And if you guys are interested, I'd say definitely apply for some of these jobs, especially if you're looking to get started in working from home. Now, I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you've ever worked at Foundever before, what your experience was like, what the position was, how much you were actually able to make. Tell me about the incentives and bonuses that they gave. Was it a lot? And just so you can give other people who watch this video an idea of what it's like working here. But of course, if you guys want, you could go to Glassdoor, of course, and you could go to reviews, and you can see reviews from other people that are current employees of Foundever, and also probably people who have worked there in the past. So be sure to check that out as well. Now, before we close this video off, just want to remind you guys of the pro resume templates plus more. If you're struggling with your resume and you want a really great template, especially a template that is optimized for the ATS system, then you want to check this out. There are 3 updated resume templates with instructions, section by section instructions. In these templates, you get 3 matching cover letters with instructions, reference pages, matching thank you letters, basically interview follow-ups with instructions as well. So everything is here section by section. You have all the instructions of what to put, how to put it. And there's also a short video in here showing you how you can quickly edit these templates in just under 5 minutes. So pretty much choose whatever template you like the most, use it, and this is here if you need it. So with that said, all the best in finding that dream remote work from home job that you guys are looking for, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.